Let's create AI Home app using Python. We import Flask for the web framework, NumPy for numerical arrays, and linear regression as our ML model to predict electricity costs from usage data. This initializes the Flask application, so we can define routes and handle HTTP requests. We define training samples where each row contains 3 features: number of appliances, hours of usage per day, and ambient temperature, representing different household energy consumption scenarios. These are the target electricity cost values corresponding to each training sample, teaching the model how appliance usage duration and temperature influence electricity expenses. We initialize a linear regression model and train it on our dataset, so it can predict electricity cost from any combination of appliance count, usage hours, and temperature. This route serves the homepage, rendering the HTML UI where users can enter their household usage details for cost prediction. This route handles post requests from the front end, receiving user input and returning an AI-predicted electricity cost. We wrap the logic in a try block for error safety and pass the incoming JSON request body to access the submitted usage data. We extract the 3 input values, number of appliances, hours of usage, and temperature, convert them into floats, and package them into a 2D NumPy array matching the model's expected input format. We run the trained model on the provided inputs and retrieve the predicted electricity cost as a numeric value. We clamp the predicted value to 0 or above and round it to 2 decimal places, preventing negative costs and making the result cleaner for display. We return a JSON response containing a success flag and the predicted electricity cost so the front end can display the estimate to the user. If any error occurs during input parsing or prediction, we catch it and return a JSON error response with the exception message instead of crashing the app. This starts the Flask development server in debug mode, enabling live reloading and detailed error output during development. Now here is our index.html, where I have designed the all-user interface. If you'd like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.